Hi there, students. To outdo. To do more than somebody else. To do better than someone else. To outperform. To perform better than them. So this is like a competition when two people are competing and one outdoes the other. They do more than the other. So imagine companies entertaining clients. Each company tries to outdo the other, to entertain more lavishly, to entertain more richly, to provide better food, to provide more interesting entertainment. This is the idea of outdo. To surpass or exceed someone else in performance or action. To do something better than them. To be more successful. So he wanted to be top of the class. He wanted to outdo all of the other students. Or maybe there's a group of people who each of them has parties and each one of them wants to outdo the previous party. So to outdo, do more than. We very often use this phrase, he outdid himself. You outdid yourself. You did an exceptional job. A superb job. So you outdid yourself in that exam. I thought you were going to get a 7 and actually you got an 8.5. That's brilliant. The chef outdid himself last night. He produced a superb meal. So this out as a prefix here is talking about to a greater degree, to a greater level. There are lots of words like this beginning with out. To outsmart, to beat by being more intelligent, to outwit, okay, to win because of your brains, to outsell, to sell more than, to outperform, to perform better than, to outpace, to go faster than, to outweigh, to be heavier or more important than. Okay, so to outdo, to do more, to be better, to exceed, to surpass the opposition. Very often we have a phrase as well, not to be outdone. He did something even more extreme. So imagine two kids behaving badly and one of them takes a glass off the shelf and smashes it on the floor. And the other kid, not to be outdone, pushes the whole shelf of glasses over. Okay, not to be outdone. Notice this verb is irregular. Outdo, outdid, outdone. So don't make a mistake with that. Now, what about formality? I think this word is neutral. I think you can definitely use it in an informal conversation, and I think you could also use it in a formal document. You might want to use the word to surpass in a more formal document, but to outdo would be perfectly fine. So, when you take your exam, I hope you outdo yourself. You do really, really well. So, there you go. To outdo, to do more than, to do better than, to perform better than, to exceed, to surpass somebody else. Out, to a greater degree. Neutral, so it's flexible and you can use it formally and informally. And yeah, an irregular verb. Outdo, outdid, outdone. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.